What up guys, it's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I'm about to do a review for y'all on this hair right here. But before I get started, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Go ahead, subscribe. I'll give you a few seconds. Alright, so now that you are part of the family, let's get right into this video. So today, you know, I did just filmed a quick video on this highlighting contour, my updated highlighting contour routine. So, you know, if you haven't seen that, definitely go click on that video first. But this video is all about this hair. Like, see, it's gonna stick to my lips. It's all about this hair. So your girl has a quick weave in her hair right now. It's been in my hair for about 2 weeks. But this hair that is just so luxurious, bouncy, just full of body and all that good stuff. This hair came from Amazon, y'all. Amazon. So let me give you like the specific deets. Alright, so I purchased Malaysian hair bundle. So this is actually, well, this is like the actual, like, you know, Amazon account. I don't know if you guys can see that, and trust me, the girl in that picture, we all know who that is, Brittany. But no, so anyway, so I got 3 bundles with a free part lace closure. The hair came in 10, 12, 14 with an 8-inch closure. So it was what was it? It was a 14-inch bundle, a 12-inch bundle, and then 2 10-inch bundles with an 8-inch closure. I didn't do the closure because I just did not have time to customize it. By the time I was getting it installed, I had completely just, time had got away from me, so I didn't get a chance to bleach the knots or anything. I bought all of the stuff, I just didn't have the time to do it. So we just decided to do, you know, a quick weave and just leave some hair out. But anyway, I want to get to the goody. This hair cost $46.90. $46.90. Yo, this I don't even know what to say or what to do. This cost $46.90 with tax and just shipping. I'm a Prime member, so I got it like literally in a day or two. It was like $54. $54 for 4 bundles and a closure. And trust me, I was so skeptical about buying any type of hair from Amazon. Like, I do buy my hair from AliExpress. I love Miss Lula, I love VIP, I love Rosa. I am still an AliExpress girl when it comes to buying hair. Yes, I am. I have, you know, ventured and bought hair from, you know, some of your bigger retailers, or, you know, like Snob hair and all that stuff. Like, I'll spend some coins, but y'all already know what I'm about to say. I'm a mom now. My coins don't stretch like that. My coins stretch like that for him. So I had to come up with, you know, just something quick that I wanted. I have been wanting like a nice bob. And I got this whole look. Oh, see, I'm almost gonna forget. I got this look, and I'm going to list her YouTube below. The young lady who I love, she basically put me on this. Like, I'm trying to literally find, like, I am trying to find her video. But if I don't have it right now, I'll definitely have it listed, because as of right now, all of the videos in my watch are basically my baby. Okay, so her name is Robin Marie. She did a how to quick weave with a closure, and it was a bob hairstyle, and it was this hair. So when I saw how she laid her hair, I was like, too good to be true, I'm gonna buy it. If it isn't good, hey, it's worth a video, right? But I freaking love it. So I'm gonna list her actual video below where I got this inspiration from. Like I said, I basically did everything like she did, except I didn't do a closure, and I cut my bob just slightly shorter. I think her bob was maybe about another 2 inches longer than mine. But anyway, she recommended the hair. I liked how it looked. $54, you can't beat it. 4 bundles with a closure. Like, who do that? Where they do that at? I don't know. But it's in my head. It has been in my head for about 2 weeks. Quick weaves, I tend to only wear for about 3 to 4 weeks max. Like 3 to 4 weeks max. This is probably going to make it 3 weeks because I have another hairstyle I want to do, because I'm going to be going out of town and I don't want this in my head. But it could last if I wanted to. Don't talk about my back right now because I didn't really flat iron the back. But let me just give you the specs on this hair. This hair does not shed, really, period, point blank, at all. And yes, I cut the tracks. There's no fold over method, so you know when you cut the tracks, you tend to lose more hair. This hair does not shed. Like, it doesn't. Like, the little 1 or 2 strands I might get a day, it doesn't really shred. It doesn't really shed at all. It doesn't tangle much. It does tangle slightly right here at the nape, but you always know that with any type of weaves, it will tend to tangle at the nape, which is fine with me because it's a shorter hairstyle, so it's not that bad. If it was like a super long hairstyle, I would probably be a little bit more upset, but for me, this is fine. I don't really wrap it. The most I'll do is take this section, you know, put it this way, put like a bobby pin, and do the same with that section. So that way when I take my bonnet off in the morning, the hair just falls and I don't really have to put too much heat, because I don't like putting heat on my leave out because I'm in this like trying to get my hair back healthy and grow it back out. The texture is beautiful. There was no smell associated to this hair or anything like that. I wish I had the box, but I don't have the box. We kind of threw that out a little too quickly when doing it, but I'm just kind of showing you guys again this hair. Who was the, I'm trying to see who the actual vendor was, because it was just like Originea. Originea was the vendor. So yeah, Originea, Malaysian hair bundles with closure, Remy hair with closure, straight hair, 3 bundles with 3-part lace closure, natural color by Originea. That's what it was. So yeah, this is what I got. I just had to go back and like my shopping cart, and this was the hair, and again $46.90. I'm definitely gonna buy from them again. I know it goes up if you get different like sizes. If you want to get 12, if you want to get 12, 14, 16 with a 10-inch closure, it's $58.90. If you want to get 14, 16, and 18 with a 12-inch closure, it's $76.89, and it, you know, it goes up from there. So I'm probably gonna come back the next time and maybe get like the 14, 16, and 18 with the closure. Who knows? But overall, where is the closure? So I still have the closure. It's an 8-inch closure. This is what the closure looks like, and it is a free part closure, just like they said. You can do a middle part, which was what I was originally going to do, side part, any of that. This is the lace. So, you know, I obviously wanted to like bleach the knots, tint the lace, do all of that. I just did not have time, but I'm definitely going to save this closure. If I choose to do like another short style like this, I'll definitely use my closure for that. But yeah, this is the closure. The hair is soft, guys. It's soft, and you're like, I'm running my fingers through the hair and it's nothing coming out. The hair is soft, no tangle, no nothing, no smell, none of that. Like, none of that. I really can say she didn't lie, she didn't disappoint. She definitely put us up on a good vendor, so I'm definitely gonna have to order from them again. And if you have not shopped from Amazon and bought hair, don't be afraid. Like, just don't be afraid. I'm gonna link the specs. You guys can actually go purchase this hair from my Amazon marketplace. I'm gonna link that below. Just go ahead and click that link if you want to buy it. It's gonna take you right to my marketplace. Go ahead and help your girl out. So this is it. This is my review on some Amazon hair. A whole head, $55. 54. It was 54 and some change. $55 like for a 3-4 week hairstyle. Like, baby, bye. What they do to that? And I probably could reuse this hair. I know I'm not. I'm just gonna take it out. But I definitely could. I could definitely reuse this hair if I chose to. But this is the look, y'all. Like, sorry if it's like a little flat. Like, I have not been wrapping it the last couple nights, so it does look a little flat. But look at that. Look, I just bounced that back. So this is my review on this Amazon hair. If you ain't got it, go get it. If you ain't with it, you need to, okay? So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for your girl. And I will see you all in the next video.